Hey everyone, so just want to do a follow-up video to my auto setup and review. It's been about 2 months that I was able to use the auto. Then I had to winterize it, winter coming and all. And with that, to winterize the auto was a click of a button, unhook the hose, put it in the garage, plug it in, and that was it. So in terms of that versus a normal sprinkler system, it's amazing. Normal sprinkler system, you gotta take the time and get an air compressor or have someone out to blow out all the lines, where this was super easy to bring in and to winterize. Also, going back just a little bit, over the last 2 months, so easy to use. Turn it on. There was a few bugs that happened. Super nice to work with the auto support team. It's still a new product, so it does still have some kinks to work out, but as a alternative to a full-blown sprinkler system, easy replacement, an easy choice too. The cost, the auto itself is between $300 and $400. A normal sprinkler system for the size, at least that I'm doing, would have to have 3 zones, and would be close to about $5,000. Not to mention the digging up of the yard and putting it in. Now all we have to do is get Auto to give me a affiliate link, and then this would be awesome. They said I don't have enough subscribers yet, so if you could subscribe and like, that would be awesome. It really helps me out. Thanks.